Sir, I can't hear you.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, now let me start up with. Oh, ingaita. Okay, let me start with the module 3, and module 3 is called as a context free grammar, which has been abbreviated as a CFG. Okay, what exactly mean by a context free grammar? And the symbol, as I've been said, it's a formal grammar which has been used to generate all possible pattern of a string by using formal languages. And let me have a definition of a CFG. A grammar G is said as VTPS. V stands for a variable, T stands for a terminal, P stands for a production, and S stands for a starting state. This what is a formal definition of a given CFG, context free grammar. And this definition I have already been said you in a previous classes, like how exactly what do you mean by variable. Variable is also called as a states. Terminal is also called as a symbol. For example, variable I used to write as capital A, capital B, capital S. The capital letter indicate a variable. Terminal under it is a set of symbols, A's, B's, zeros, and one. P stands for a production, where I used to write that S tends to AS or S tends to BS. This is called as a production, and S stands for a starting state. For a given machine, which is a starting state, I will be writing for it. And this is what you mean by under definition of a CFG. Given module number 3, it says the given question will be given. The given question I have to represent a production of this. Whatever question will be there for the given production, I have to write a production in this manner. This is the main thing behind a module number 3. Okay, let me take one example and then explain you what exactly mean by that. Now, I have to construct a CFG. CFG stands for a context-free grammar. Here, I have to construct a CFG for a language having any number of A's over a set of A. Andre, here I have to design something. Here I have to design something. There can be any number of A's and the symbols are only A and B. Now let me write a probabilities of a string. Any number of A and the now, any number can be the occurrence of A is 0th time, 1th time, 2 time, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. This is an occurrence of A's. Correct? Okay, either now let me write a regular expression for this. As I think you guys know what do you mean by regular expression. Something I read as A star, B star, A plus B, B plus A, something as such. So now let me write a regular expression for the given properties of a string. Here I write something called as A star. What is the stars? The occurrence of A, 0th time or more time. So 0th time, this holds good. 1 time in this, 2, 3, 4, and so on times. So I represent something called as A star. For the given thing, I have to write a production for a given probabilities. I have to write a production for a given probabilities. How to write a production, Andre? Always and always, I start something called as S tends to something. Always and always, I write something called as S tends to something. Ivaga, what is the bare minimal thing? It's an epsilon and then nothing. So first I write S tends to epsilon. Clear? Okay, S tends to epsilon and then nothing aitu. Now one time occurrence of A, so I write S tends to A. Clear? Okay, this is been done. Now this 2A's. If I write 2A over here, or again I write S tends to AA. I can write now 3A andre S tends to 3A's, 4A and S tends to 4A's. How many times I have to write this? Don't you feel I'm writing a same task repeatedly? Instead of that, can't I make as a self loop? S tends to A was the least one. How to make this as a self loop? Can I write in this manner? S tends to SA, S tends to SA, S tends to okay, S tends to A and S. Ivaga, don't you feel how to write the thing? Assume I have to write A occurrence 3 times. Assume I have to write A occurrence 3 times. So starting I write S tends to A S once, 2 time beka. This repeats again. So this A will be there. Instead of this S, I write again AS because 2 times. The next what I write? I need A 3 times. So instead of this S, these 2 A's will repeat. Instead of these two S, I write one more A and S. Clear? Okay. I replace this S with this AS. Now this S with this AS. Clear? Okay. Now Ivaga 3 time I2. So what should I do? I should stop. To stop it, I ought to be written S tends to epsilon as a string. So instead of this S, I replace with epsilon. Clear? As epsilon is the 0th occurrence. So this is not necessary to write. So the answer for this is 3 A's. Is that clear? This is what you mean by a CFG and a CFG as a language. Okay, now I will write here as S tends to epsilon 1, S tends to A and S. Clear, guys? This is an answer for the given production. Okay, let me write a language. Now, as I have been already said 3 occurrence of A, now let me take 4 occurrence of A. 4 A's. Andre? A, and A. How to write this? By using only these 2 productions. By taking only these 2 productions, I will be writing 4A. First, I use Martini. I have 1A. So, will I use this or this? I will use the second one. So, I write here as A and S. Clear? Next time again, 1A is been done. I need 3 more A's. So, I write 1A is a default one. Instead of this S, I have to use any of these 2. So, which one I have to use? I will use AS because I need one more time A and S. Clear? Okay, now, Ivaga. These 2 A's I will write. Now I need 4 A's. Instead of this S, I write any of these 2. So I write here as A and S. Clear? Okay, now let me continue the things. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 A is been done. Instead of this S, what I have to write? I need one more A. So I write here as AS. As my target is being reached by taking 4 A's, my target to get a right of 4 A's. So 4 A's is been done. So I will stop the production. This S I replace with epsilon. This S I replace with epsilon. So I will not write epsilon here, and this is an end of a string. Is that clear, guys? For the given question, n number of A's, this is the production and this is a language produced. Clear? Okay, Ivaga, let me make more simpler. Let me take one more example and let me explain you how to write the given things. Let me take more simpler and take an example and I will try how to write the given thing. Okay? Okay, now the question goes the simpler way. The question is simple. Construct a CFG for the language WCWR. Construct a CFG for the language WCWR. Now, here we have to think what do you mean by W and what do you mean by C and what do you mean by WR. WR stands for a reverse of a W. WR stands for a reverse of a W. W andre no? W is a combination of A or B. W is a combination of A's and B's. Let me write it. Ivaga. Normal 1W is AB. 1W says it's an AB. What does WR says? BA. A reverse of this W. So my output will be such a way like AB, in between there should be a C, AB, in between there should be a C with a BA. AB, in between a C with a BA. Clear? This will be my output. So let me write few probabilities. Let me write few probabilities and I think you guys can come to know. My output, the probabilities, PROB, the probabilities are such a way like, it can be in this manner, ACA manner or BCB manner, correct? Or ABCBA manner or BBACABB manner, correct? Observe marte, idiyenido ulta barate, idiyenido ulta barate, always reverse. Okay. Or anything, I can keep on continuing it. For example, ABACABA manner. If you observe all these things, C there, C akade the same words are there. B akade same words are there. Here, these two are same, followed with these two. Correct? Yet again, let me take this. As soon as the C comes, these two are same, and these 2B are same, and again these 3Bs are same. Correct? Ivaga, let me take this thing. Okay. In between there is a C, 2A comes, perfect. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 2b comes, then again 2a comes. Clear? If you observe this, ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, there is a c in between. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ either side of a c, same letters are repeating. So let me write a CFG for the bare minimum thing. So I will start writing S tends to C will be at center. C, assume like C will be at center. This both sides they will be the same. For example, A center A. Correct? A is being done. B bandre B center again B. ಈ center ಏನಿದೆ C ಇದೆ, but this is a repetitive loop. But this is a repetitive loop. So here to make this as an iterative or repetitive, I write here as S. A S A A S B. Clear? To terminate a string, I write it as S tends to C. Clear? Okay, let me take some example of an expression and let me solve. For example, let me take the same expression. Okay, A B C B A. Okay, I have to prove this A B C B A work agutto illo anta. Okay, for more expression, I write this as 1, I write this as 2, and I write this as 3. Enike for better explanation. First and foremost, which is the starting state? S. I'll take S as a starting state. S as a starting state, correct? Okay, what is at center? What is at center? C, correct? What is at center? I have to implement A B C B A. I have to implement A B C B A. What is the first and foremost letter I have? A. To implement this A and the last letter A, 1, 2, 3, there are 3 expressions. Which expression I have to see? I will take the first expression. So I write as A S A by using equation 1. Clear? Why I have taken this? Because my first character is A. So ಇದು ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ which is the equivalent. So I'll take the first. Okay. Now A is been done. I have to replace S with something else. ಏನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು? Now I have to get B. So A will be there. Here A will be there. Now I replace this S with equation number 2. Okay. So this will be B S B. Now this I write as B S B. My target is A B C B A. I reached A B S B A. So now yet again I'll replace A B was the basic one and here B A was the earlier one. This S I have to replace with by using 1, 2, 3 expression. Now which expression I'll use? I use the equation number 3. So this S I replace with C. Is that clear, guys? This is how I do it. Okay, let me take one more example. I hope you guys will come to know. Let me take one more example. Let me take which example? BBA. Okay, let me take one more example. Example number 2. BBA CABB. Correct? Okay, now from where I have to start? I will take S as a starting. Yes, ivaga BBA ABB. First letter yavude? B ಇದೆ. So which equation I have to take? 1, 2 or 3? I'll take equation number 2. So I use B S B. Correct? Now next letter is B. Again I took equation number 2. So this will be B S B with B. This S I replace with here. Correct? Okay, now what is my third string? My third is A. So I'll take BB ASA, correct? By using equation number 1. Correct? So my main target is BBA ABB. It's been achieved. So now I'll replace this with BBA. This S I replace with what? Equation number 3. I write here as C. I write ABB. Is that clear, guys? This is called a production. These are an example for it and this thing. To write it, first and foremost thing, you have to know the probabilities of how to write the string. So I written as ACA, BCB, AB idre, il BA barutte, il AAB idre, il ABB barutte. So this is how the probabilities of a string will occur. This is the thing and these are the example. Okay, this is not end with the question. After writing this expression and writing with the example, I have to write a definition of CFG. The definition of CFG says G equals VTPS. In this production, what is V? V stands for variable. How many variables I have been used? I have used only one variable as yes. I have been used only one variable as yes. Variable under capital letters. Okay. Then next, what is T? T stands for, what is T? T stands for a terminal. How many terminals have you used? A, B, B. So I've been used A and B. And what is this C? Even here, I represent C as a terminal only. So I've been represented as A, B, and C. Clear? Okay, now I have to write a production. All these three lines I'll be writing here. Clear? And I'll write S. S stands for a starting state. Which is starting state in this given machine? S is the starting state. So I write here. This is our answer for one full question. Is that clear, guys? I hope everyone are clear with this. Okay, let me go with few more example. Let me go with a few more example. Let me go with few more example and let me explain you. Write the things. Okay, first and foremost, I'll write which is the language. The language L equals AN BN. The language L equals AN BN, where W is A and B. There are symbols A and B used. Clear? AN and BN occurs. Ivaga. Let me write the probabilities. Let me write a probabilities of the given thing. Probabilities ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? If it is as it says, n should be greater than equal to 1. Occurrence 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ A B ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Occurrence 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ it will be A B B. Occurrence 3 means it will be 3 A's with 3 B's and so on. Clear? And so on. Clear? Okay. If you observe this, how to write the given expression here? Try ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ observe ಮಾಡಿ. Earlier there was C in between. Here there is no C. Earlier there was a C in between. Here I don't have any C over here. Correct? So how to write the things? But observe it. ಇಲ್ಲಿ center ತಗೊಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ A ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ B ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Correct? Observe this. Here I get A, here I get B, and again here A and B. Earlier equation I used to get both as the same. Okay, again here these are between AB and these are between AB, and again these are between A and B. Clear, guys? Okay, let me write S. I'm sorry. Let me write a production. Always I use S tends to. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು? S tends to what? I write as A. C la, I write as AS. What should be the next character? B. So I write as ASB. Is that clear? This ASB, it will go infinite loop. To terminate it, I use something called as epsilon. So S tends to epsilon. That's it. This is a production. Clear? Okay, let me take an example. Let me take this example. 3A's followed with 3B. Let me write for this. Okay, let me write an expression for this. Okay, S tends to first ಏನಿದೆ A ಇದೆ. So I write as ASB. Correct? The next it tends to, again one more A is there. So I write ASB with B. Correct? Okay, now 2 A's, one more A S B will come, then 2 B's. So this replace this. Now main target for me is 3A's and 3B, which has been achieved. So again ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. For this S I use something called as epsilon. So I write as 3A's. This S I replace with epsilon. So this will be 3B. Hence the result is being proved. I'll write as G equals V T P S. Okay, now what is V? Variable. S. What is T? T is the terminals. I have been used A and B. What is P? P are the production. S tends to ASB. S tends to an epsilon. And what is S? S is the starting state. I have been used here as S. Okay. Now you guys can ask me a question, sir. Why always I use yes? Can't I use anything? Come on, China. Let me take one more example. I use a different value over here. Okay. Now let me take one more example. This is L tends to A power n B power 2n, where the value of n is greater than equal to 1. a power n, b power 2n, where the value of n is greater than equal to 1. Clear? Okay, now let me write a probability first. First equation ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ, a1 ಇದ್ರೆ b2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? a1 ಇದ್ರೆ b2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, next, if the value occurrence of a are 2, how many b will be there? 4b. Perfect. Let me write 3 a's, then it will be 6 b's. Perfect. And so on. Correct? Correct? Okay, if you observe things, let me take this as a mid. 1a ಬಂದ್ರೆ 2b ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಬರೆಯೋಣಪ್ಪ, 1a ಬಂದ್ರೆ 2b ಬರುತ್ತೆ, and yet again 1a comes here, 2b will come. Clear? Okay, now 1a with 2a, now 1a with yet again another 2a. Clear? And 1a with yet again 2b. Clear? Okay, now I think now you got something how to write thing. Always ಅವಾಗಿಂದ yes use ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. Let me take my name, let me take D. Okay, D tends to what? A, correct? Dash, B occurrence are 2, so I write here as BB. Correct? A dash BB. What should be the dash? It should be infinite loop, so I write here as D. A D B B. Clear? And to kill this, I write D tends to what? Epsilon. Correct? Correct? Lovely. Okay, now let me take this as an example. 2a, I'm sorry. 2a 4b. Let me execute this. Okay, first and foremost, starting with D. D tends to, I take equation 1, a D BB. Correct? A D BB. Now ivaga how many a's? 2 a's. So yet again I take a, I replace this D with a D BB, and yet again B and B. Clear? My target is to 2 a's 4 b's. It's been achieved. So now you again use martini, I use something called epsilon, so it has a, here I go with an epsilon, B, B, B and B. Clear, guys? It's been achieved. So I write as G equals VTPS. V is a variable. What is a V used? The variable are D. T are a symbols, A comma B, and P is a productions. I've been written here. Correct? This is a production. Okay, now adamale S. What is S? Starting state. Which is starting state for the machine? D. Artha aita? Just for a changing of a starting state, I have been taken D. It's your wish. You guys can take any number. Clear? You guys can take any number. This is all about the thing. Okay. Now let me take with the last question. Last and the final one. Now again, construct a CFG where the language L are equal A equal B. The language L are equal A equal B. Equal B under the the occurrence of A and B are same. For example, let me take a probabilities. Guys, if you observe the way I have been written, every question I am writing probabilities. And each and every question I am writing probabilities. Because when I write a probabilities, I will come to know how to write a CFG. If you skip this, I'm sorry, this is not mandatory for VTU or exam point of view. Only this and this are mandatory. Okay, this is not, but if you write this expression or if you write these probabilities, this is very easier for you guys to write a CFG. Okay, now so now let me try write with a probabilities equal A's and equal B's. First ಏನು ಇರಬೇಕಪ್ಪ, my probabilities will start with 1A ಇದ್ರೆ 1B ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? 2A's ಇದ್ರೆ 2B ಬರುತ್ತೆ. But is there any format AB ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ? ಇಲ್ಲ. It can be come in anything. It can be 2B's ಇದ್ರೆ 2A's ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Is this correct or no? Yes, it's correct, because they have not said A ಆಮೇಲೆ B ಬರುತ್ತೆ or B ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ A ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. No one have been said that. It can, both are true. AB can come, BA can come. Okay, now let me take one thing. AB True or false? A, B, A, B, true or false? A, B, B, you know? Okay, even this correct? Okay, correct because two A's and two B's. Okay. So I'm sorry. Okay, two A's and two B's are occurring. Clear? Okay, now let me take an example of this. If you take, let me take this as a divide. Let me take this as a divide. Okay, let me write the things. Ivaga. Clear? I'm not explaining. I want you guys to think on your own. Correct? Equal A equal B ಇದೆ. If you observed it, ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? First I write A. ಇಲ್ಲಿ A ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ B ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So can I write like this? Correct? Okay. But there is no rule A and B ಬರ್ತದೆ. Here if you take the things, it's ulta way also. So can I write like this? To kill this, can I take an expression as epsilon? Clear? Okay, now. Okay. This four expression I have written in a proper way. Okay, ivaga. A, B, B, A. 2A, 2B ಇದೆ. If I take this as a middle, ಇಲ್ಲಿ equal 2A ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ equal 2B ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Correct? So for this, I take S tends to A as A or S tends to B as B. Clear? Okay, ಇವಾಗ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So I will take 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 as an equation, because if I take one example, it will be easy for you to solve it. Okay, let me take one example. Which example shall I take? I will take this example. Okay, BA. Okay, 2B is followed with 2A's. 2B is followed with 2A's. Okay, ivaga. Start. First is B and the last is A. B and A. I take equation number 2 and I write here as B as A. Clear? Okay, now next bit is B and A. So I take as B and this A is the older one. Now here I replace this S with B as A. Clear? Okay, now is this end? BBA is being achieved. This S I replace with epsilon. So I write as BB and AA. That's it, guys. Okay. Okay, and at last I'd write G. G equals VTPS, and I hope for each and every question, I hope like you guys will write G equals VTPS for me. Is that clear? Okay, now any queries regard that I want you guys to ask me now.